An entrepreneur is someone who has the passion to innovate and the want to create. I, Palak Verma, a student of grade 11th, opted for entrepreneurship. I could have gone for science, humanities or any other subject, but I chose entrepreneurship in order to help my father to grow his family business. My father owns a jewelry shop and I want to take his business to another level. Now how entrepreneurship helps me to do that? Our school frequently organizes guest lectures and we regularly discuss the life stories and the success stories of some well-known entrepreneurs like Mukesh Ambani and Panendra Sama. Their stories inspire me to dedicate my attention towards the family business and a thought that I, being a teenager, can start my own business. I, being a 16-year-old, can save my pocket money and avail the schemes given by the government for teen entrepreneurs for starting up their own business. I thank YSP School for giving me the opportunity to study entrepreneurship as a subject and leading me towards the success. Thank you, YS.
It's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen. I, scholar Mehak from grade 11th from YS School, had to admire the topic entrepreneurship. There was a vast variety of career options I can go for, but the best opportunity to grab was to opt entrepreneurship. After many discussions with my family, counselors and teacher guidance that there was only an option to choose entrepreneurship in my commerce field. Many of the entrepreneurs at young age opened their business, which is at a successful platform now. Like Kishore Biyani, the owner of BB Market, got inspiration after exploring the American V-Mart, which is at a successful platform now in India. So, dream more than others think is practical, risk more than others think is safe. Thank you, YS.
I have opted for entrepreneurship as my main subject. Sandeep Maheshwari has said, business is an art, not a science. And entrepreneurship is an art to develop a new product, service with the help of your innovative idea. My inspiration is Ritesh Agarwal, founder and CEO of Oyo Rooms, and Bhavesh Agarwal, co-founder and CEO of Ola Cabs, who have built a unicorn at a very young age. By taking inspiration from them, I want to help my father in his business, who is currently running a Becca center in a region and it's currently running very well. But I want to take his business online and also start its online branding so that a lot of students could take benefits from it and the business could reach to a greater heights. Thank you.
जब भी हम कॉमर्स के बारे में सोचते हैं तो हमारे माइंड में सिर्फ 3 ही सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं, अकाउंट्स, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड बिजनेस स्टडी. बट देयर आर vast number of subjects in the field of commerce like legal study and entrepreneurship. If you want to join entrepreneurship, just join YSP.